Let's take a look at the lesson Multiplication with Operands up to 100. 2. The butterflies on Earth-like planet X can feed on 72 flowers an hour. If a butterfly is active for 8 hours per day, how many flowers can it feed on? Well, I know that it can feed on 72 flowers in 1 hour. So in 8 hours, it would be 72 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry our 1. 8 times 7 is 56. Plus 1 more is 57. So 576 flowers. Ants can build up an anthill 39 millimeters a day. How big will a new anthill be after 12 days? So in 1 day, it can grow up to 39 millimeters. After 12 days, it would be 12 times that much. 2 times 9 is 18. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Then we move to this side. 1 times 9 is 9, and 1 times 3 is 3. We add all these together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 7 plus 9 is 16. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 468. If Avery has to clean the windows in 32 rooms, and each room has 14 windows, how many windows does she need to clean? So if she has to clean windows in 32 rooms, each room has 14, then we would say 32 times 14 that are in each room. So 4 times 2 is 8, and then we go this direction. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 3 is 3. We add these together. 8, 4, 4. So 448. If there are 50 mice living in your kitchen, and each mouse can eat 12 pancakes, how many pancakes will be eaten by mice? So if there are 50 mice, and each one can eat 12 pancakes, we would multiply 50 times 12. So 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 5 is 5. 0, 0, 6. So 600 pancakes. That is a lot of pancakes. Michael is buying cupcakes for his class. He wants to give each kid 16 cupcakes. And there are 6 kids in his class. How many cupcakes does he need to buy? Well, if he wants to give each kid 16, 1 kid would be 16. 6 kids would be 16 times 6, because each kid would be getting 16. So 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9. So 96 cupcakes. Tyler is baking cookies in batches of 54 cookies. If Tyler bakes 8 batches, how many cookies has he made? So he's baking cookies in batches of 54, and if he makes 8 batches, that would have to be 54 times 8, because there are 54 in each of 8 batches. 8 times 4 is 32, so 2, 3. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 3 more, so 43. So the answer is 432. Michael is buying cupcakes for his class. He wants to give each kid 8 cupcakes, and there are 52 kids in his class. How many cupcakes does he need to buy? So if there are 52 kids and every kid is going to get 8, we need to multiply that by 8. 8 times 2 is 16. We carry our 1. 8 times 5 is 40, plus 1 is 41, so 416. Matilda is buying cupcakes for her class. She wants to give each kid 38 cupcakes. And there are 6 kids in her class. How many cupcakes does she need to buy? So she wants to give each kid 38 cupcakes. So we'll write 38, and then that is times 6 kids. 6 times 8 is 48. So 8, 4. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 4 is 22. So 228. If there are 7 mice living in your kitchen and each mouse can eat 93 pancakes, how many pancakes will be eaten by mice? So 93 pancakes can be eaten by each mouse, and there are 7 mice. So 7 times 3 is 21. 7 times 9 is 63, plus 2 is 65. So 651. Ants can build up an anthill 85 millimeters a day. How big will a new anthill be after 1 day? Well, I know that would be 85 times 1, which any number times 1 is just itself. So 85 times 1 is 85. Fantastic job today.